If you cook at home even a few times a week, you know how much your cooktop matters. But some cooktops heat up unevenly, some feel slow, and some just don't give you the control you want while cooking. This can make even simple meals more frustrating than they need to be. That's why, in this video, I'm going through the 7 best gas cooktops. These options offer good control, solid performance that actually makes day-to-day cooking a lot easier. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these gas cooktops aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 7 is the Cosmo Gas Cooktop. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. You're gonna have 5 burners on a 30-inch surface, and the range is solid. The top burner is a 16,000 BTU triple ring super rapid. That's enough heat to sear meat or get a big pot boiling fast. Then, you'll have an 8,500 BTU burner for everyday medium heat cooking, 2 6,800 BTU burners for general stuff, and a 5,000 BTU low burner when you just need something to stay warm or simmer. The burners are brass and sealed, so spills stay on the surface and don't get inside. Cast iron grates handle heavy pots without any wobble, and the stainless steel surface wipes clean without much effort. Controls are up front, which makes adjusting the flame quick and easy. Electronic ignition handles lighting, and it works with both natural gas and propane with an LP kit. It also comes with a 2-year limited warranty, which is a nice feature at this price. So if you want a dependable 5-burner cooktop without spending a fortune, the Cosmo is exactly what you need. Number 6 is the Zline stainless steel gas cooktop. This is the most professional contender on our list. This one has 6 burners, and every single one can do everything. That's what makes this Rangetop different from the rest. Most cooktops have 1 or 2 power burners and a simmer burner tucked in a corner. This one throws that out completely. Every burner on this cooktop has 2 rings, an inner and an outer. They work independently. The inner ring goes as low as 800 BTU for a true gentle simmer. The outer ring pushes up to 20,000 to 25,000 BTU for serious heat. The total output across all 6 burners hits 130,000 BTU, which is roughly double what most 36-inch cooktops offer. And the burners are hand-forged brass, made in Italy, and built to resist warping and corrosion over time. And those burners come with a lifetime warranty. The one-piece porcelain cooktop underneath wipes down easily, and the cast iron grates make sliding pots between burners effortless. So if you want a cooktop that gives you full professional control on every single burner, the Zline Duo Pro is in a class of its own. Number 5 is the Thermador SGSX365TS. This is the most premium option on our list. The first thing you'll notice is the star-shaped burners. They're patented and exclusive to Thermador. They are designed to spread heat more evenly across the bottom of your pan, not just in the center. All 5 burners can hit temperatures above 450 degrees Fahrenheit, with the center burner maxing out around 16,000 BTU for fast boiling and searing. But what really sets it apart is the extra low feature. 2 burners can cycle on and off at an incredibly low setting, like 300 to 350 BTU. That means you can melt chocolate or hold a delicate sauce without standing there stirring constantly to stop it from burning. Plus, continuous grates run across the whole surface, so sliding pots from burner to burner is effortless. Sealed burners keep spills contained, and the knobs have a push-to-turn safety system built in. So if you want the best heat control and cooking evenness money can buy in a gas cooktop, the Thermador SGSX365TS is it. Number 4 is the Zline Paramount Gas Rangetop. This is the most powerful model on our list. 6 burners, Italian-made, and a BTU range that covers everything from melting chocolate to a full rolling boil. But there is something more that sets it apart. Those 6 burners are hand-cast in Italy and sealed, ranging from 1,000 all the way up to 18,000 BTU. And that low end is genuinely low. You can melt chocolate or hold a delicate sauce without burning anything. And the high end gets you a serious sear or a fast boil without waiting around. The cooktop is one solid piece of hand-finished porcelain, which makes cleanup pretty straightforward. The cast iron grates are heavy, but come off in 3 separate pieces, so you're not lifting the whole thing at once. It slides into a countertop or island cutout, comes with an LP conversion kit for propane, and the Italian burners come with a lifetime warranty, which is rare at any price. So if maximum cooking range and long-term durability are what you're after, the Zline Paramount is the one to get. And if you want to know the latest prices for the gas cooktops discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 3 is the GASLAND stainless steel gas cooktop. This is great for everyday cooking on our list. This cooktop has 5 burners, a built-in griddle, and a price that doesn't make you wince. The wok burner hits 13,000 BTU for high heat cooking, a rapid burner at 10,300 for boiling fast, 2 semi-rapid burners at 7,000 for everyday stuff, and a low 4,000 BTU burner for simmering. Total output is 41,300 BTU across all 5. And that's a lot of firepower, and it comes with a reversible cast iron griddle, so pancakes, grilled sandwiches, whatever you want is gonna be ready in minutes. The cast iron holds heat well, and the whole thing is easy to lift out and clean. The 304 stainless steel surface wipes down easily, and the sealed burners stop spills from getting inside. There's also a flame-out safety system, which means if the flame dies, the gas cuts off automatically. It works with both natural gas and propane, so it fits in RVs or smaller kitchens too. So if you just want a reliable cooktop that handles real cooking without spending a ton, the GASLAND is hard to beat. Number 2 is the KitchenAid Downdraft cooktop. This is the best downdraft pick on our list. If you don't have a hood above your stove, no problem, because this cooktop handles ventilation all on its own. That's the whole point of the downdraft system. Instead of a big hood hanging over your kitchen, the ventilation is built right into the cooktop surface. It pulls smoke, steam, and grease down and out. It's rated at 300 cubic feet per minute, which is strong enough to handle high heat cooking like searing and stir frying. There's even a 3-speed fan so you can match airflow to what you're actually cooking. On the burner side, you're going to have a 17,000 BTU professional burner for serious heat, a 15,000 BTU burner for boiling fast, and a 5,000 BTU simmer burner with a wider melt cap for delicate stuff like chocolate or butter. And the full cast iron grates run wall to wall, so sliding pots around is easy. The knobs are solid metal, the sealed burners clean up flat and simple, and if the flame ever goes out, the auto reignition brings it right back. So if you want real cooking power without giving up ceiling space to a hood, the KitchenAid Downdraft cooktop is worth a serious look. Number 1 is the GEPGP7036SLSS. This is the best overall choice on our list. So right away you'll have an 18,000 BTU power boil burner. That's a lot of heat. If you're boiling a big pot of pasta or water for soup, this thing gets there fast. And on the other end, there's a precision simmer burner for when you need low, gentle heat, like melting butter or keeping a sauce warm. The continuous cast iron grates run across the whole surface so you can slide pots from one burner to the next without lifting anything. And those grates are dishwasher safe. The sealed burners also help contain spills, so cleanup doesn't turn into a whole project. There's even an optional integrated griddle, so you can make pancakes and grilled cheese without pulling out extra cookware. And the knobs light up with white LEDs when a burner's on. It's small but looks really clean at night. So if you want a gas cooktop that handles everyday cooking without overcomplicating things, the GEPGP7036SLSS is the one to beat. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect gas cooktop. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each gas cooktop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.